Hi, my name is Kurt Asplund, and this is my studio. You would never guess where I am today, but I'm down at our local skateboard park. Why? Well, I'm going to draw you an elephant who loves to skateboard. That's right. He's going to come on board here and really enjoy himself. So hang tight and let's get drawing. Whoa! Hey, if you like this video, jump on over to YouTube and subscribe so I can keep making them. Have you done it? Come on. Just jump over. How about now? Have you done it? Come on. Jump over. That's it. Just hit subscribe. That's all you gotta do.